Hello, Market Club members everywhere. Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And of course, the big news today was the miss on the jobs number. The U.S. economy created 160,000 jobs in April versus the estimated 202,000 that most economists were expecting. However, the unemployment rate held steady at 5%. On a brighter note, wages rose during the month with an average hourly earning up 8 cents an hour, representing a 2.5% annualized gain. The average work week also edged higher to 34.5 hours, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. The indexes fell briefly this morning after the report was announced, but have since regained some ground. They're currently trading close to their market opens or a little bit above. With that, we'll get to some key levels to look for next week as we move forward. The S&P 500 issued a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the sidelines position, currently trading at 2050 level with a chart analysis score -60. Key level to watch for the S&P 500 next week will be the 2111 level. If the S&P should climb back above that level, would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a long position. Moving along, we'll look at the Dow. Dow's currently trading at 17,685.57 with a chart analysis score of +65, so the overall trend is weakening. Key level to watch for the Dow next week would be 17,580. If we were to get below that level for the Dow, we'd issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the sidelines position, and further weakness could be expected. Moving along, NASDAQ still trading lower, currently trading at 4,710. As you can see, we had a red weekly trade triangle exiting long positions at 4,808 last week with a chart analysis score of -60 right now. The intermediate term trend continues to be strong as the NASDAQ's heading lower. Key level to watch next week for the NASDAQ will be 4,969. 4,969. If the NASDAQ were to trade higher than that, we'd issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a long position and that the intermediate term trend had turned around to the upside. Moving along, we'll look at gold. We'll put our daily trade triangles on here because with gold and futures, we trade the weekly and daily. As you can see, we're currently sitting on the sidelines position with a red daily trade triangle triggered at 1,283 level. Currently sitting at 1,288. Chart analysis score of +85, but as you can see, we're still waiting for this green green daily trade triangle to turn around so we can get long again. Key level to look for gold to watch would be 1,294.11. So 1,294.11. If gold was to move above that level, we would issue a green daily trade triangle indicating a long position in gold. So 1,294.11 is the key level to watch. Moving along, we'll come back to Apple here in just a second. We'll take a look at that. Adam definitely wanted me to mention that for you guys today, so it's something to watch on a Friday. But with crude oil currently trading at +85, chart analysis score, the short-term trend is down, indicating a sidelines position based on this red daily trade triangle at 44.94. Currently trading at 44.93. Key level to watch next week for crude oil will be 46.07. So 46.07. If crude oil trades, again, this is the June contract, trades above 46.07, that would indicate an entry into a long position based on a new green daily trade triangle. All right, with that, we'll move back to Apple, and we're actually going to open this chart up here. We're going to turn the daily trade triangles off here, open this chart up, and we'll actually go to a weekly just to kind of show you what we're talking about. And this level right here, we'll draw a trend line. That 92 level. Adam wanted me to point out. We're close. We're currently trading at 92.25. We're 25 cents away from hitting a 52-week high, or I'm sorry, a 52-week low at $92. This week, Apple has definitely been taking a beating. Perception seems to have changed on this once powerful tech giant, as maybe they're struggling a little bit in the future of the iPhone sales and really technology on where they're going. They've always been an innovator, but that seems to be lacking as of late. But we had a new monthly red trade triangle trigger at 92.51, indicating a move to the short side and that the long-term trend is down for Apple. And if we pull these weeklies out here, you can actually see, turn this on, every time we have a monthly trade triangle with Apple in the last 3 times, there's been a significant move down. And this is definitely a level of resistance here at this 92 level. So watch it carefully. See if it closes today below that 52-week low. That would definitely be a bearish sign that Apple's going to continue lower, and definitely something to watch next week. I'm sure Adam will come back next week, have a little bit more of a technical outlook for Apple. With that, those are your key moments or key levels to watch this week coming up for the major markets. I'm Jeremy Lutz. Every success, and we'll talk to you next week.